In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a proxy in Brave browser. We will go through the process step by step in a simple way so you can follow along without confusion. Brave doesn't manage proxy connections entirely inside the browser itself. Instead, it sends you to your computer's built-in network proxy settings, so most of the setup happens there. Once that's configured correctly, Brave will use those settings when you browse. To begin, open Brave browser on your computer. After it loads, look to the top right corner of the window and click the menu icon with the 3 horizontal lines. This opens the main browser menu, where you'll find access to Brave settings and other tools from that drop-down menu. Select Settings. When the Settings page opens, look over to the left-hand sidebar and click on System. This section includes options related to how Brave works with your computer's operating system. In the System area, find and click Open your computer's proxy settings. As soon as you select that option, your operating system's network control panel will open, which is where the proxy connection is actually configured. If you are using Windows, go to the Manual Proxy Setup section and click Setup. This area lets you enter the details for a custom proxy server. Turn on the toggle labeled Use a Proxy Server. Once that's enabled, type in the exact IP address or hostname, along with the port number provided by your network administrator or proxy service. It's important to enter these details carefully, because even a small typo can stop the connection from working properly. After entering the proxy information, save the changes, then restart Brave browser, so the new network settings are applied cleanly. When Brave launches again and you try to load a web page, you may be prompted to authenticate. If that happens, enter the username and password provided for the proxy connection. Make sure those credentials are entered exactly as given so the browser can connect successfully. If the page loads normally after that, your proxy is now active in Brave. If it doesn't, double-check the address, port, and login details, and confirm that the proxy service is currently available. Since Brave relies on your system-level proxy settings, any mistake there will affect the browser connection too. And that's it. Thanks for watching.